Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we have the Sadie Stickers Junk Journal Advent that we will be unboxing. I'm super excited. I have not opened this at all, so we will be doing this together and seeing everything for the first time together, which is my favorite to do. Pretty sure I said that exact same thing on my other Sadie Stickers Advent, but truly I love getting to show you guys my first reactions. I just think it's really fun, even though you're not here right now with me, but you're here when you're watching the video. So it feels like you're here with me and we're doing this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off screen real quick so that way I can, because my address is on the other side, so I can get it out of this pretty package, which I really want to save. I think it's so pretty, all these bows. But anyway, I'm gonna take it off screen so I can get that unenveloped, unwrapped, and then we'll get into the box. Okay, those envelopes are no joke. Seriously, they're on there so good. Sorry, I gotta move my cord out of the way. Okay, so here's our box where we've got all of our goodies hiding in here. So let's see what's in here. A whimsical advent. Thank you. Begin with day 1. How cute is that? So cute. Okay, let's see if I can not rip it. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Look at these envelopes. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see all of these? Look how fun they are. They're little varsity letters. This is super fun. I'm kind of obsessed with this. All right, hang on. I need to get a picture of all of these fun envelopes for my graphic for this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I mean, come on, you guys. Look how fun this is. I just laid these out so that I could take a picture, but now they're not in order. So let's put them back in order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How fun are these? And yes, I'm in my Christmas jammies, okay? I am all nice and cozy while we do this. Let me zoom this in a little bit. All right, so let's jump into day 1. Let me get my chair over here. I'm standing, sorry. I know that's loud. Okay, here is day 1. These are so fun. I don't even want to ruin these envelopes. Yeah, I have not ventured into the world of junk journaling yet, but I'm excited to check this stuff out and maybe get into that. I'm can I do one more hobby? Okay, this says Hot Girls Journal, and you got a little thing here. Today's activity, Hot Girls Journal. So what are you waiting for? Set that journal up. Here's a journal to get you started. Don't want to set one up? Complete a spread you've been procrastinating. Yes, we see you. So it's a little junk journal. So she gives us a junk journal on day 1. Love the blue polka dots. It says 2026. And it's got some super smooth paper in here, you guys. So smooth. Oh, and the back has pink paper. Oh, the inside has pink. Return to, and a spot to put your name. This is so fun. Okay, so that's day 1. We've got a cute little journal. Getting us set up for all this. So you have somewhere to put this in case you don't have a junk journal already. Which I don't really have a junk journal, but I have a million journals that I could turn into one. Sometimes I just buy pretty journals. I don't want to ruin these stickers, so I'm sorry. I'm going to be a little slow probably in trying to get them up off of here. Okay, day 2. We have... This is so fun. She has little prompts in every single day. Oh, I love this. What's on your wish list? Inquiring minds want to know. Write it out. Make a mood board. Cut up a magazine. The options are endless. Peep the wish list sticker in this set to aid you. So these are prompt beads. About me. Playlist. Birthday. Bucket list. 2026. Currently. Wish list. Bingo. Fave. Love. Dump. And top 5. Those are so cool. And then we have the months. Oh, so you could do different months in there. These are so cute. Okay. What a fun idea. This is definitely whimsical. Definitely whimsical. Okay. Let's see. How do I not ruin this one? How do I not? Really, Cassie, what are you going to do with these anyway if you don't ruin them? Sometimes I don't know why I'm the way that I am. What does it matter if you rip the sticker? Are you really going to take it off of there and reuse it, Cassie? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe I want the option to do that, okay? Oh, these are guest tickets. I love these. I've never bought any of these, but I love them when I see them. Okay, so today's prompt for day 3, think with whimsy. If your life was a film, what would it be like? Describe the little joys that bring some magic to your life. What would the playlist be? What would be the setting? Genre. Get creative with it. This is so cool. I really love this. Okay. Here's a little keep this coupon ticket. Keep this coupon. It's for my journal. I think it's a sticker. Feels like a sticker. Okay, and then here's multiple colors of guest checks. These are really cool. I've been really enjoying seeing these, but haven't like bought any yet. So I'm a fan that I got to have some in here. Look at these fun colors, you guys. All of these different kinds. So cool. I'm totally going to do this. I'm going to set this up and I'm going to do the little prompts. I think that's so fun. And it is whimsical. So it like, you know, kind of keeps you like doing something kind of fun and creative, but like lighthearted. Okay, day 4. Look at these little stars. I love them. Okay, day 4, our prompt is gold star for you and silver. What's something that you're proud of yourself for recently? Big or small, give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. And we have gold and silver stars. Look how cute and tiny. Oh, love. My brain is like already thinking of ideas. Already thinking of ideas is how I would put that into a journal. Okay, day 5. She's a big one. She's a little heavy. And I love this paper bag. What do we have? Ooh, whimsical girly scrapbook papers. There's all kinds of papers in here. Oh, and a prompt, of course. Alicia, this is so fun. This is so fun. Okay. So we've got a junk journal sticker. Sadie stickers. And then our prompt, or it's an activity, I'm sorry. Today's activity, get yourself ready for the new year. Create a self-care bingo as a reminder to take it easy and be gentle with yourself going into a new season. Alternatively, you can make a bucket list bingo card for the year. Look at all these papers. These are so fun. So I think this is designed for you to like just rip the papers out and use. That's what all these like paper books are for, which is really cool. That's super fun. And they're like double-sided. Oh, I like that bow one. That's pretty. How fun are these? And they're like really soft, you guys. Like it's really nice paper. I do feel like a lot of this stuff, because it's so like bright and fun, it's very different than like our normal planner world, where I feel like a lot of it is like muted and pastel and like kind of elegant, you know, which I love. Don't get me wrong. Like I love that. These are all the same on the side. But I think it's kind of fun to have something like just like, I don't want to say childish because it's not childish, but it does bring back like the whole, I know I keep saying it because she said whimsy, but like it feels very whimsical. Like, you know, just getting back to like enjoying fun, bright things, you know, not having to be just an adult all the time. Okay, day 6. What do we have in here? Day 6, are these washi? Ooh, they're washi. How fun are these? And of course, everything matches that paper. Okay, this is our prompt card. What's one memory that you want to hold on to forever? Document it so you can come back later and remind yourself. Is it an old memory or a new memory? You don't have to limit yourself to only one. And then we have washi paper that you can tear. Are these washi strips? Oh, they're washi strips. They're not like a full washi paper. Okay, it's still in washi paper, so you could still tear it, but they're actual washi strips. That is so fun. And they're like all the same patterns as the papers. So you can mix and match. Very cool. So everything's going to be like all matchy-matchy here. All right, day 7, more of this fun polka dot. Like, and you can even like tear these up, you guys. Like you can totally tear up these fun envelopes and like bags here to use in your journal. Oh, see, me try not to ruin the sticker. Ooh, what is this? They're lockers. Oh my gosh. And there's more lockers. How fun are these? Are they papers? I think it's papers. These are so fun. Yeah, they're like a thick paper and they're lockers. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. I'm a fan. Okay. And then let's see, today's activity, school is in session. Not really, but let's do some fun homework. Cut your lockers open to create little doors. Don't forget to leave an edge for the hinge. Glue that baby into your journal and hide some goodies inside. Oh my gosh, that's a fun idea. You could like just cut this little part here and leave the frame and then put stuff inside of it. Oh, and then like you put the little confetti in there. There's like a little package of confetti that matches the, whatchamacallit, matches all the papers, like all the patterns. Hang on, let me take it out so you can see it. Oh, that's gonna not be fun to put back in there. Look at all these fun little confettis. They're little stickers too, so you can just like take the backing off and put them in your little journal planner. That is, oh, so fun. Oh my gosh. How fun is that? Okay. Patterned confetti. This is, I'm really enjoying this. Okay. This is just fun. Come on, stay together. And my pile is growing to the side where you're gonna be able to like see it in my camera here. You can see it like creeping in, everything falling over. I keep thinking these stickers are like fuzzy because they look like little fuzzy letters, you know? Okay, day 8. We have a Words of Whimsy. Those are super fun. Look at these. Words of Whimsy. And then here is our like little clips, Office Whimsy. That's so fun. And then we have our prompt. What's your favorite season and why? How can you bring yourself more happiness in the seasons that you don't prefer? Can you bring some of the joys and activities into the other seasons for extra fun and excitement? Ooh, my favorite season is fall. What is yours? I would like to know. I think winter would probably be my least favorite just because it's cold. Yeah, probably winter. I do like summer, but it's really hot in North Carolina. Okay, sorry, I didn't even introduce that. This is day 9. I'm just ripping into it here. This is a little sticker book, it looks like a reusable sticker book. Oh, look at that. What a fun card. It says good luck, like a little gem. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, I could put that on something. Okay, today's activity. We know you've been avoiding it. Organize those stickers. Today you'll find something that just might make the process a little more fun. The sticker book is perfect for storing leftovers or organizing your collection by categories. So it's got like a fun little cover, and then it's got a bunch of reusable sticker paper. Oh, look at the chocolate covered strawberry. That's so fun. And the little cassette tape kind of goes with the whole vibe of everything here. So fun. Okay, I'm trying not to like shove everything back in the cellophane to waste your time while you're watching. I will do that afterwards on my own time. Okay, day 10. Oh, I have 2 stickers to not destroy. Day 10. We have, oh my gosh, how fun are these? Playful buttons. These are so cute. Look at like the little girl and the apples. And oh, I love that one. That's really pretty. These are so fun. And then we have You're a Gem. All these cute little gems. Adorable. And then our prompt says, what's your signature? Not your autograph. Do you have a signature accessory, song, phrase, perfume? What is something that makes your friends instantly think of you? That's a good one, you guys. I don't know. My signature, I guess, would be bees, right? Because whenever y'all see bees, you send me all the bee things, because that's like been my whole persona on my planning page is bees. Bees and honey. So I guess that would probably be my signature. Guess that would probably be it. Okay, day 11. Pink polka frame. Insert your Instax. I don't know how you ever say that, but anyway, mini film here. Okay, so you can use these for they're like little photo frames. Let's pull them out. I'm a fan of these polka dots, you guys. Loving the polka dots. Come on. Come on. It's okay to make mistakes. Just try again. It's on an eraser. That's perfect. Okay, today's activity, frame it. Let's jazz up some of those photos you have laying around. Don't have an Instax Mini. Any photo will do. Just cut it down to about 3.4 by 2.1 inches and you're set. Because, yeah, I don't have one of those little things. But this is super cute. So, does it just go in there like that? Yeah, you don't fold it. But it's got like a little... Okay, it's cut out in the middle. So it's kind of like a vinyl almost. It's cut out in the middle, so you can put your little photo in there. And you've got pink and blue. So fun. Ooh. Gosh, you guys, I feel like I whipped through this. After doing the other advent that was like decorative and regular, I feel like I just like went really fast on this one. But it's so fun, and I like couldn't wait to open every day. All right, day 12. Last day, you guys, last day. We have some foil. So we have foil circle beads. Come on. Oh, I'll show you these, I guess, under the prompt. So we've got our gold, silver, and rose gold for our little circle beads. You could spell out whatever you want. And our prompt is, it's not quite the new year, but it's never too early to set some goals. Maybe you can even start today. Who says you have to wait until January 1st? Don't forget to be realistic. Very cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was so fun. What a fun advent. So this was the first year she's done like a junk journal type of style. I know I have like all this stuff here. And so I think like probably a lot of people like weren't sure like what this even was or what to expect with it. But this was super cool. And I feel like it's like something, I feel like, I don't know, for me, I put a lot of pressure on myself with my spreads and like that kind of stickery stuff, where this is just like fun, you know? I guess if you're somebody who does this kind of stuff, like you're already into this, because I haven't gotten into this side of things yet. If you already are, like, let me know. Is that how you feel about it? Is it just like, you don't have to overthink, you just do it? Maybe you didn't overthink before. I don't know. I'm an overthinker. So let me know if you're somebody who is like in the pretty planning world and then you're doing some more of this junk journaling stuff. Does this feel like lighter and like just more fun and like you're not putting so much pressure on yourself? Because that's like looking at all this, that's how I feel like this would just be more fun and like joyful. Not that the other stuff isn't, but I feel like I put pressure on myself for the other stuff, you know? So I don't know. I'm looking forward to getting to try some of this stuff. So let me know, are you in the junk journaling kind of community? Are you like dipping your toes in? Where are you at with this? Like, I don't want to say transition because there's still both sides in the community, but it's definitely a little bit different and more of this than we used to have. So curious where you're at and if you're enjoying this side as well. And Danny and I are going to be doing a live using some of the things from these advents. I think like for each, I don't know if we're doing both of these in one live or what. We haven't talked through that. But I'm eager to like do some of this and just try something totally out of my box. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, I would love it if you gave my video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And there will be more advents coming. So just stay tuned on my channel and I will get them all up and hang out with you guys some more. So thank you guys so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. And I will catch you all next one. Bye.